Planning a bathroom remodel? You could install custom tile in your shower, but a prefabricated one-piece shower pan is a faster and more straightforward option. It still looks great, performs well, and takes much less time to install. In this guide from the trade table, we'll walk you through the complete process from prepping the subfloor to installing the pan and connecting the drain. If you're new to our channel, returning for more home improvement tips, or just browsing for ideas, welcome. We're glad you're here. Step 1. Choosing a prefab shower pan. Prefabricated shower pans are usually made of enameled steel or fiberglass reinforced acrylic. They are available in a variety of sizes and styles and are designed for quick installation. Before you begin, make sure to check local building codes and work with a licensed plumber if required. Proper permits and code compliance are important for any plumbing project. Step 2. Prepare the subfloor. This installation uses a mortar bed to support the pan and create a strong, stable base. Start by laying tar paper over the subfloor. This helps prevent the mortar from seeping through any cracks or floorboard gaps. Step 3. Dry fit the shower pan. Place the pan into position temporarily to check the level of the subfloor. In our project, the floor was slightly low on one side. We used a level and inserted shims to determine how much adjustment was needed, which came out to about 3/4 of an inch. Remove the pan and install the shims under the low areas to prepare for the final set. Step 4. Install the drain flange. Before placing the pan permanently, install the drain flange. Apply plumber's putty to the underside of the flange and insert it through the pan's drain opening. From underneath, install the rubber gasket and locking nut to hold it in place. Wipe away any excess putty that pushes out during tightening. Step 5. Mix and apply mortar. Mix a stiff batch of mortar and apply it to the subfloor. Spread it evenly to about an inch thick, staying clear of the drain opening. The mortar will help provide solid support for the base of the pan. Step 6. Set the shower pan. Carefully lower the pan into the mortar bed. Press it down so it makes full contact with the subfloor and the shims. Use a level to make sure the pan sits evenly. To keep it steady while the mortar sets, attach temporary wood strapping between nearby wall studs. Step 7. Secure the flange. Some manufacturers require that the shower pan flange be fastened to the wall studs using screws. This adds long-term stability and helps prevent shifting. Step 8. Plumbing access and final connections. If you do not have access to the underside of the shower, make sure all plumbing lines are properly aligned and connected before closing up the floor. If you do have access from below, you can dry fit the connections first to ensure proper alignment. Once confirmed, use PVC cleaner and cement to secure the plumbing joints. Final thoughts. Installing a prefabricated shower pan usually takes just a few hours and sets a strong foundation for your shower build. It improves both the durability and appearance of your bathroom and saves time compared to a full tile installation. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you stay updated on future DIY guides from the trade table. Looking for high-quality tools or products for your next home upgrade? Visit thetradetable.com and browse our full selection of renovation essentials. See you in the next project.